S.L. Maitreyan of class 7 studying in Pushpalatha Vidya Mandir CBSE Higher Secondary School, Tirunelveli, Tamil Nadu. Today I am going to explain my project of reusable rocket design. Problem statement. Space junk, also referred to as space debris, are pieces of scientific machinery or other various aircraft sent to space for the internet to research planets, stars, galaxies, or other outer space objects that have failed to return to Earth or have been left behind in space after the missions that has been completed. Rockets are one of the most significant causes of the space junk. Also, as all rockets we use are single use, the budget is high for every mission we undertake. The solution is to create a reusable rocket which can be used a number of times. This will lower the budget for the missions we undertake. Now, I will demonstrate some of the things in my prototype and explain the working principle of it. Correctly, after 2 minutes and 12 seconds from the launch, the boosters attached here will just separate like this. Now, first I will explain the working principle in a single booster so that you can understand it easily. So, we will be having two flap-like structures at two sides, which one will be at the rocket side and another will be at the outside. So, immediately after separating from the body, it will automatically open this. Here a servo motor will be attached so that it can open. Now, as I am not having a servo motor, I am just using a manual operation system. So it will open and it will automatically come and balance and stand it itself. The same thing will also happen in another boosters. Now I am going to explain the body part with fuel, tank and the oxidizer. After the separation of boosters, the body part containing the fuel tank and the oxidizer will separate from the payload part. And after some time, it will automatically come to horizontal position and the parachutes inside it will just trigger out. Now I will demonstrate and show how the parachutes are working. As I have demonstrated, the body part using its parachute will soft land on the ground. After that, the main part containing the payload part will keep the payload in Earth's orbit and will automatically become a space debris. So, to prevent that one, we are having a boosters at the top of the payload part which will automatically trigger the payload part downside after the payload is kept in the Earth's orbit. So after it's coming down and reach the troposphere, it will automatically release the parachute which is at the downside of the payload part. And now I will demonstrate the parachute in the payload part. So after completing all these journeys, all the parts of the rocket will soft land on the Earth's surface. So after that, we have to take all the things and we have to reassemble. So this will save most of the economic loss and more money can be saved in all the projects we undertake. Hope you like my solution. Thank you.